Precision electronic components complete a product's performance and reliability, even where they cannot be seen. Mgen Solutions has expanded its technologies across a wide range of industries, and within this portfolio, its electronics business has built strong competitiveness through process automation. Through this video, we introduce the competitiveness of MGENTECH, the production hub for our electronics business located in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, with a focus on its automated manufacturing processes. MGENTECH is a specialized electronics manufacturing subsidiary located in the Tây Ninh Kizuna Industrial Park in Vietnam, operating on a production infrastructure spanning approximately 10,054 square meters. Here, the entire production process from winding, molding, and soldering to assembly and inspection is automated, forming a fully integrated production line that delivers both efficiency and quality stability. The main products manufactured at MGENTECH include transformers, PFC coils, and inductors, which perform critical functions in power systems such as voltage conversion, power efficiency enhancement, and noise suppression. The starting point of the production line is the automated winding process. Multiple winding machines operate under identical conditions, and process data serves as the standard for maintaining consistent quality. This automated winding process is a core stage of the automation line, responsible for both production efficiency and quality reliability. After winding is completed, products undergo soldering to finalize electrical connections, followed by a molding process in which plastic is injected to encapsulate the components. This molded transformer process is a patented technology owned by Mgen Solutions, fundamentally enhancing environmental durability and structural stability. Products that have completed the molding process move on to automated assembly. Assembly equipment, rotary transfer systems, and robotic cells are seamlessly integrated, enabling automated fastening and material transfer while maintaining consistent operational standards within the system. Once assembly is complete, products undergo automated inspection to verify electrical characteristics and quality standards. During this process, any abnormalities are identified, allowing only fully qualified products to proceed to the next stage. After inspection, products undergo final validation using a range of reliability testing equipment. These automated processes have delivered measurable results. Through the expansion of automated equipment, MGENTECH increased its electronics production volume by more than 3 times as of October 2025 compared to February 2024. Process automation directly translates into competitiveness in production capacity and delivery responsiveness. Production is completed through automation, and quality is defined by trust. Based on systematic quality management and proprietary technologies, MGENTECH will continue to strengthen its competitiveness in electronics manufacturing.